Hooked up, boys.
Oh my god, dude, it is freaking monster.
Really? Is it in the weeds?
Yeah, it is now.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
It's like 34 degrees.
Yeah, the cold. 34.
Yeah.
You guys are troopers.
I mean, if you dress right, it's fine.
Yeah.
Literally, like every spot I went to yesterday, there was green grass. Just about. When I found dead grass earlier back there, I was like, yeah, we don't want to be here because I have not seen a spot with dead grass. So even this is like decent.
Yeah.
What the heck? He just broke his handle. How'd that happen? Did he shut it when it was locked?
Yeah, it was like this, and it hit that, and then this plastic is so old that it literally just cracked in half.
Now you gotta get new latches too.
I'll just get a new latch. Well, there's that. Now there's a hole in me.
Watch your step.
Don't fall in there.
Holy crap.
Dude, literally in one cast, it literally just imploded on itself. How did that even happen?
Look what this man just did to his rod.
On a spinning reel, dude.
That takes skill.
Yeah, not everybody can pull that off, dude. Master of the art. Watch this. I was laughing so hard on that montage. I was like, he's so upset. He's like angry.
Fish.
Chicken?
I don't know, it feels good. Feels good. Good. Oh no! It's right there. It's a 4-pound smallmouth, dude. Literally a 4-pound smallmouth. He's under the boat right now.
Where is he?
I don't know, he went under the boat. Dude, there's gotta be more though. Oh my god, did you see it?
No.
It was huge.
Dude, as soon as like I literally popped my head up and like, oh, and then I was like, oh, what happened? That's not a good sign.
Oh man, I was trying to get a hook in her. Like I didn't feel like I got a good hook set. But then I was like, that's why I had it loaded up quite a lot.
Yeah.
So I tried to dig the hook a hole a little bit more. Dude, that was a good smallmouth. So they could be loaded up right here. Let's see. There's one. Oh no way! Dude, I didn't think he ate it. That was awesome.
Let's go! Sight fishing him. Dude, he tracked the swimbait all the way back to the boat, and then I was just like jigging it, and I let it fall back down, and I just saw him go like this. I was like,
Dude, I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro or not. I need a polarizer. That was awesome though.
2-pounder.
So he was literally just following his bait in, and he saw it down there. Well, it's 2 in this little area. Looks like they're definitely moving shallow. So that was awesome.
That was so cool.
Like I was not expecting it to hit.
I wasn't either. Only on the TV.
Oh yeah. Where's the net?
Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Come on. Ah, heck yeah, dude.
4 pound smallies. That's it.
That's a 3, yeah. I thought it was like a 4 at first.
Yeah, I did too. When I set the hook into it, I was like, I don't think this is a bass. This is exactly where I hooked the carp in the mouth last year and ate it.
Dude, they like that Swimbait, eh?
It's a nice one, dude.
If that was a fish.
So not quick. 3 pounder. Nice one. Oh, yep.
Dude,
Next cast.
Smallie.
Smallie.
Not much of a one-handed net.
2 pound smallie.
Nice, dude.
That's back-to-back casts, boys. Nice chunky smallie on the Swimbait. Smallie on the Swimbait. All right. The Swimbait setup that I'm throwing right now is I'm throwing a little 3.8 inch Kitech swinging fat impact. It's called Gobi. Gobi is the color. It's just kind of like a dark green pumpkin, purplish. Kind of see it. And then I have a 3/16 ounce ball style head on it with a screw lock on it. I really like the ball style for the fat impacts and stuff like that, because it helps give it a nice rock on it. This time of year, I like the bigger profile one, just because you can really slow it down and keep it where you want it, and it just has that little roll. For the bigger ones, I like throwing 3/16 ounce, but if I'm throwing like a 3 inch one, or I'm throwing the Easy Shiner, like an 1/8 ounce head.
You can see all like the marks from people running over there.
What?
Like the dimples in the bottom. Oh,
Oh
boys!
my god, dude, it is freaking monstrous.
Really?
This isn't a bass.
Holy!
That's a big bite for a carp.
Is it in the weeds?
Yeah, it is now.
Oh my god!
Oh.
It's a giant carp, guys.
Oh my god. Don't worry, you got plenty of time.
This is gonna take forever.
My arm's so tired.
This thing is huge, guys. We saw it come up. It is crazy big.
Dude, it thumped it. It ate it. It's in its mouth.
Is it? Dude, I'll be in maze if it is.
I can't move it. We've got carnivorous carp. You better stop swimming in the water. My forearm is just pulsing. Further than I thought it was.
I put my GoPro down so I didn't get me reaching for it.
In the friggin' snow.
Oh, I'll let you do the honors because I don't feel like touching it.
Oh, come on! I'm not gonna touch it. Alright.
Finally got it, boys.
Oh, nice, graceful release on this boy. Oh.
What a monster, dude. it. I thought it was a snag. It was a fish? Cody?
Yeah. Dude, I went like this to like rip off the thing, and then when I like hit it like this, and I came back because I thought it was a snag, and then I went to pull back again, but I can't deal with 3/4. I can't feel anything.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, we caught a few fish here and there. I'm pretty disappointed that I lost that 4-pound smallmouth. I think it was right around 4 pounds. I try not to exaggerate fish that I see, and it could honestly have been bigger than that, so. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. Maybe comment down below what kind of baits that you guys use this time of year. If you like the bass fish and you like bass fishing videos just like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys later.